Hope you're okay. Today, I'll show you how to enable or disable developer options on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, you want to open Settings, and under Settings, you want to select the name of your phone at the top. Mine is TECNO CAMON 50 Pro. Then scroll until you see Build Number. So you want to tap on Build Number 7 times until it tells you that you are a developer. There you go, you are now a developer. And now you want to go back to the settings page and scroll all the way down to System. Tap on System, and now under System you should see Developer Options. So tap on that, and that's how you've gotten into Developer Options. So now you can do any function that brought you here. To disable Developer Options, all you need to do is tap on this toggle to turn it off. And that's it. That's how to enable or disable developer options on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.